Hey everybody, welcome to another unboxing. This time around we have, yes, another Garbage Pail Kid box of cards. This is I think it's like a blaster box. This is Garbage Pail Kids Go on Vacation. I think it's one of the 2023 sets. They have, I want to say, 3 or 4 different style boxes of tins. I only bought the one because, let's face it, I don't need more cards. And, well, I always do need more Garbage Pail Kid cards, but I don't make any money off this channel. It's a bit of a money pit, but I like opening up cards, and I like Garbage Pail Kids, so I guess it's a win-win for me. Yeah, so like I said, yeah, these are, let's see, actually. So this has exclusive loaded puzzle sketch cards, 10 packs with 3 exclusive stickers, 80 sticker cards per box, so you get 80 cards in here. So that's cool. And then it looks like there's some rarities on the back here. Actually, yeah, they're down here. It's really hard to read. Okay. Of course, it's got all the dumb parallels as usual. But yeah, I thought this was a fun little thing. Usually they come in just paper. But I liked this purple tin, and I liked this zombie dude. So let's take a look here. I imagine this is vacation or like travel based, clearly. I don't know what gave it away, but let's dive right in to pack number 1. Let's see here. What do we got? What kind of crazy packs, what crazy cards are in here? Base parallels, of course. Printing plate, 5,000 packs. That would be fun. Sketch card, 1 in 508. Panoramic sketch card, 1 in 20,000. Who are those people that get that stuff? I've bought in so many. I'm gonna have over 200 videos at this point. I've never gotten a super duper insane rare card. I have no idea. I just have bad luck, and I've never won the lottery. Yeah, I've never won anything really cool. Let's dive right in before I keep going on and complain till I'm blue in the face. All right, we got Sly. A little bit of Rocky going on. Like, I think this is what, Philadelphia? Maybe. If I'm wrong, I apologize. Here we got Lethal Cecil. Nice. Cowabunga Cal. Checklist. Awesome. Beachhead Jed. I was just at the beach, so this is super funny. We got Vacate Ted. More checklists. Inflated Irina? That's funny. Are they watching Garbage Pail Kids the movie? Too much. That's awesome. Wait, the Garbage Pail Kids? Yeah? Amazing. Whoa, what's this? Is this one of those, like... Yeah, this is... What did it say on the box here? Exclusive travel sticker. So that's what this is. Tower of London. Oh, nice. Vinyl Vince. My family's garbage. I bet you they sell these. Don't make me pull this card over. Oh, I got a chase card. 1 out of 3 packs. Okay. And I got a parallel fueled Floyd. All right. Pack number 2. These aren't too bad. I will always, like I said, I will always love Garbage Pail Kid cards, so I can't really go wrong with these. Carousel. I was just traveling a couple days ago, so this stuff's pretty funny to me. Billy Bidet. Gotta love bidets. Will you shut up? Absolutely. I know that feeling. Adrift Adrian. Wavy Davy. That seems like a classic one. Mask Off Maddie, I got a parallel. Backseat Bill. Another don't make me pull over card. And another green parallel. I wonder if it's one of these per pack. Is that? Oh, nice. I like these puzzle pieces that are like little posters like this. All right, pack 3. See, that is when I like puzzle cards. On the back of Garbage Pail Kid cards, not as rare cards in waifu boxes. Chet t-shirt. Wild, Wet, and Weird. Nice. Wow. Rocco Fella. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this. That's fun. Tom Bunk map. Yeah, that art's always great. Tourist Trapper. Mystery Shack. Nice. Awesome. Face Peel Faye. I think that's the alternate of her. Mai Tai. Stealing Stella. Yep. You ever stole from a hotel? Leave in the comments below. Hashtag Missy Steak. Oh, man. That's brutal. This happens a lot, though. That happens a lot. Oh, wow. Oh, boy. Splash Milton. Gross. So, yeah, it looks like you get one green parallel per pack here. All right, pack 4. Reese. Yep, definitely. No respect of the art. Wizarding Wanda. Yep. Very appropriate. Whirl Wendy. There's another cool one. Man. I wish there was a book that had all these and like had all the art in it. Booze and Susan. Mount Everett. Shiatsu. Nice. Actually went on a massage as well when I was on vacation. So this is a pretty appropriate box for me. Cruise Ship Sherry. And the green parallel of the pack, Brad Taste. Wow, look at that. A lot of puzzles in this. All right, pack 6. No, wait, there's a lot of packs in here. There's 10 packs in here, right? So this is pack 5. Leaning Lena. Nice. Rainforest. Canoe Lou. Weird. Snot Santa. Nice. That dolphin. I saw dolphins too. Oh, cool. There we go. Nice. Oh, wow. Here we go. Tanner Lines. Gross. B Beach. Here's another sticker or traveling sticker. I don't really like this art. Not a fan. Mashed Matt. Alternate to that one. And then Half Nelson. That's fun. All right, pack 6. Buried Berry, the alternate of that one. Brainless, alt of that. Flighty Faith, another alt. Here's Handlebar Howard. Bud and Breakfast. Nice. Hold the horses. What do we got here? Peer. Freaky. Carved Carlos. All right, pack number 7. Let's get that sketch card, huh? Masked Off Manny, got a dupe. Tiki Bart, another alt. Hashtag Oopsie Daisy, alt of that one. Alt of this one, Claimed Clarice. Annoyed Andy, for sure. Hygienic Heine. Stone Face Stella, nice. And Water Slide Brie, yuck. All right, pack 8. Absconding Abby, all to that one. Artie of Massage. Peaked Pete, alt. Nice. Hawaii Howie. Here's the puzzle camper Kara. It's freaky. Good old Atom Bomb Amusement Lark. Man, wouldn't that be amazing? GPK land. And then on all these stickers, Visit Alaska. Again, like I said, I don't really like these. Wow, look at that. Decorated Derek. Try to zoom in on these. And Suit Cassie. Wow. All right, penultimate pack, number 9. Let's get one of those 1 out of 20,000 cards. What does that even look like? Cruisin' Susan. Sun Bernie. Blow Holly. Nice. Heavy Harvey. Here's old Evil Eddie himself. Cracked Zach. Wow. Theo Thumb. And Lei Lu. All right, final pack, number 10. Definitely wish I would have got a special card in here, but not looking likely. Sandy. All right. Marty Cycle. Horseback Holly. Airy B&B. Nice. Here's a new one. Geeky Gary. Classic. Furious Phyllis. Yep. Plain Snack Pete. And the lovely Carrie Bean. So there we go. That is the GPK Go on Vacation. One of the I think that's how the blaster boxes come in these cool metal tins. Like I said, I think there's 3 or 4 different styles, but I think they all have the same types and amounts of cards. So yeah, let me know which your favorite of these was. Did you pick these up? Did you get one of the 1 out of 20,000? If so, do a video and share it. Let's take a look at it together. So yeah, thanks everybody. I'll see you on the next one.